Hi, my name is Mayra from Harmony Schools. Today I will be demonstrating the concepts behind the Newton's cradle. First things first. Now, let's discuss the concepts involved with the Newton's cradle, the law of conservation of momentum and the law of conservation of energy of a closed system. They are both the same because of the state of that the total substance, momentum, and energy before a reaction is equal at the end of an isolated system. For Newton's cradle, this occurs when the metal balls hit one another, thus sending momentum through each ball to the end. Momentum is the mass of an object multiplied by its velocity. My history and component is that the cradle is named after famous physicist and mechanic Isaac Newton, who theorized that 3 laws of gravity. Although he did not create the cradle, the idea was presented by John Wallis, Christopher Wren, and Christian Huygens, all discussing the same theoretic principles presented in the cradle. Huygens noted that the conservation of momentum and kinetic energy, although he did not exactly state it as a quantity proportional to the mass and velocity squared. René Descartes first suggested that the conservation of momentum, but he wasn't able to truly prove it because of his formula was P equals mv, or momentum equals mass times speed. Huygens later changed speed to velocity and solved the problem. Velocity is the direction of a motion, while speed is how fast motion is. So the momentum of two objects of the same size traveling in the same velocity in opposite directions would be equal to 0. Isaac Newton is credited for the cradle because the law of conservation of momentum can be attributed to his second law, F equals ma, or force equals mass times acceleration. Although Newton's cradle was published 25 years after Huygens managed to prove his theory, Newton is seen as a bigger impact in the physics world rather than Huygens. Therefore, the cradle is mistakenly recognized as his idea. Thanks for watching. This was presented to you by Harmony Schools.